So guys, open any browser to Google search box, and Google search box to type Lenovo LOQ driver download, and go to this first link, right click to new tab, and you can see this pc support.lenovo.com is officially website. You can download the driver. So first guys, you can see this is automatic. So you just click to scan. You click to scan, now have to pc automatically scan and detect a driver, require driver and update. Okay, second, this is manual. So select this. Okay, the all driver are available. Next guys, click to Bluetooth, and you can see Intel Bluetooth driver. This is latest of 24. Click to download. Wait few seconds, it will automatically start. Okay, and show here. Just open this driver, then click to yes, then next. Okay, I accept the agreement, then click to next, select the install, then next, install. Now you can see this is installed, Bluetooth driver is installed, and then click to finished. Okay, after that restart your system. Thank you.